wish you could come to Denver with me. I love you. Time to go. I got the vlog. Good morning. I'm in a tank top and feel completely fine.
It feels like 75 in Texas, like how it would in Texas.
It's so pretty out.
Feel like
Nice
something?
can of oxygen. He missed. You completely missed.
I want to do it.
It's like -3 degrees. I'm not made for the snow. I need to take a break right here.
It's pretty cold out here.
There's snow.
It's snowing.
In my clothes. Pike opened up. I'm not a pro.
Gotta get some transitions.
We've been slacking on the vlog.
We're about to eat. We just peed. It was marvelous. Needed it.
It's snowing. They're in a very intense Pokemon tournament. Yay, you can see it. Ah, it got in my eye. Tell us a little something about Rosie.
She's so just got caught.
I almost stepped in the yellow snow. Taylor decided to try out a TikTok photo trend, and this is how it turned out. Okay.
Where's her neck?
Wait, show her body. What happened? Good morning. Sai, you can get in the car. Come on.
Goodness gracious.
Has she ever done that?
No.
You're not allowed.
Aww. We're going to Red Rocks.
Sai, you want to hit? Here's a nice famous landmark. That's actually pretty good. We forgot to vlog our food.
Sad. It was really good and really pretty.
Yeah. Bye, friends.
Eating my new snow.
Okay, we're supposed to go to is occupied, so we're waiting for them to push back.
Mommy's home, Mittens. Are you excited?
Seems very exciting.
Are you excited?
Hell yeah, I am.